Several Igbo landlords are dead, some down with stroke, and many hospitalized as a result of the demolition of their properties by the Lagos state government. Hundreds of Igbos are now homeless in Lagos after their homes were destroyed by the Lagos government. Even buildings that were approved by Lagos state government itself are being demolished by the same government without any sort of compensation. This is purely an anti-Igbo exercise. It is time to rise up to the challenge and say enough is enough.
Shimobi Ezama, and I am one of the landlords, one of the victims of the ongoing demolition here in Ablado. This is my property. It has been demolished, and there was no notice before encroaching on my property, destroying it. Even if I didn't have the FHA allocation, if they ask me to pay for the reclaiming of the land, I'm ready to pay. And they destroyed my property over 300 million. Yeah. My kids are homeless now. I don't know what to do next. And I still have some neighbors that are in hospital now. Some are having stroke now. Things are happening. So we are appealing for the government to help us to stop the demolition going on at Ablado. Kids are at the hospital. Please, I'm begging. I'm calling on the presidency to do something about this. Look at people's properties. Look at. Even if they say that some houses are built on the road, they are done demolishing those houses. Why entering into the street where people are living, making children homeless? Children are homeless now. They can't even go to school. About 4 people are dead because of this, out of heart attack, out of tension. People are dead. We have lost lives because of this. Just look at it. My wife is in hospital because he cannot bear it. She can't bear it. She has been hospitalized. As I am now, I'm confused. I'm confused. I'm very, very confused. I'm very, very confused. I'm homeless like this. There is ongoing committee. They've been making calls. They've been making calls. We are on the calls now. No response yet. But we are praying to have response because there are still ongoing demolition as we speak right here now. Illegal works, if I may say.
Actually, there has been a negotiation between the landlords and FHA agents for long. We promised landlords have been meeting with them, discussing for better understanding. They threatened to carry out the demolitions, but we now reclaimed it from the family, reclaimed it from the swamp, invested on it, come to this level. We are not saying that we carried out someone already said that only to find out that it belongs to the future. Then we say a negotiation with them, which we felt things will go this way. All along we've been saying, please consider us. Let this exercise as a human face. We invested here ignorantly. And let there be understanding between the two parties, the family and the FHA. Then they come to us and tell us what we should do. And we are willing to do so. Though my own have been demolished, but let others not be moved into the street like myself. Let it stop. And then let's negotiate and understand each side and walk in the streets and sleeping in the open. See mosquito bites all everything. And a lot of people, not only myself, landlords, house owners, possibly the women and children hiders are taking cover where we don't know. We've been rendered homeless.
All right, look at this mansion. Just look at this mansion now. You won't believe that this house is going down. And they gave up any moment from now, this house is going down. This house is going down any moment from now. Just 2 hours to clear your property. Look at people. Look at people's properties. Look at people's properties. Just look at. Everybody's rushing out. 2 hours to break down this mansion. 2 hours. This is unbelievable. Look at, and someone just paid 1.7 M and moved into this house not up to a month. Just look at this mansion. They want to raise down this building now. 2 hours to take out your properties. You can't believe this. Look at people's properties outside. Look at. 2 hours to move out of this house. 2 hours. This mansion. Just look at. Just negodego Igbo. Negodego Igbo. Afọ mmadụ tara ata. Negodo afọ mmadụ tara n'ụwa. Kedu di ya biko. No, just look at the good mansion, the good mansion, madam, actually could ye ba. Kedu dia. Just look at 2 hours to move out. 2 hours to move out their property, and this mansion is going down. This building is going down right now. Oh God. Oh God. Kedu dia. Just look at this house.